Hi everyone, this is Tech Data Bangla. Lots of people ask me how to remove background image which is using artificial intelligence. So we can use lots of online website. So let's go. Free image background remover. So you can see lots of website there. You can go adobe.com, slasher.com, undershare.com, lots of website. So you can choose anyone. So how it works we should know. Basically it's a automatic image enhancement. Camera or computer image editing programs often offer basic automatic image enhancement features that correct color, hue and brightness, imbalance as well as other image editing features such as red eye removal, sharpness adjustment, zoom features, and automatic cropping. These are called automatic because generally they happen without user interaction or are offered with one click of a button or mouse button or by selecting an option from a menu. Additionally, some automatic editing features offer a combination of editing action with little or no user interaction. Main image file format used data compression to reduce the size and save storage space. Digital compression of image may take place in the camera or can be done in the computer with the image editing. When images are stored in JPEG format, lots of format we can use, that's no matter. Compression has already take place. Both camera and computer programs allow the user to set the level of compression. So we can use easily here. You can sign in if you sign up already or you have no account, then you should sign up. But actually this is not need necessary, so we can back and just simply upload the image. You can see this is a drag and drop option. Just click it here and choose any pictures. Just open the image. By the way, this lady is a Australian cricketer and footballer. Both are the same. This is actual history. That girl playing football World Cup, also playing cricket World Cup. So it's a record. Okay, get back to the point. You can see already our background remove. So it's very easy to use. Alright, so you can customize if you want, or if you want to customize then you should have to sign up or sign in if you already make it, or if you want the picture already background remove is good enough for you, then you should take to the download. By the way, this website needs sign up. So if you don't have account and don't want to sign up, then there is a lots of website there. You just remove the website name and go to the other website. Remove busy slasher.com, remove Valii, just take it. You can see there is a lots of website. So we try what happened. Alright, there's some pictures no need to show. You can take the same pictures. So there is a two option. If you paid member, then you can choose your SD format, or if you want just free service, then go for the that resolution, which is 500 into 500. So let's see. Already done. So you can see here our pictures are done for the download. There is no background. Alright, you can use any pictures as your wish. This website also works same. I usually use this website. It's a nice website. You can check the difference. Online background remover instant. You can also use this website. So basically it's the same thing. Look at the picture before and after. So this is some kind of preview. That's it. If you feel it's a good informative video that I made, then like and subscribe, also share. Thank you all.